You're happy kasi may interview ka tomorrow. Kaya lang, hindi mo alam kung paano ipapasa. If this is your first time attending the interview, sigurado hindi ka makakatulog mamaya kasi wala kang idea kung paano i-handle ito. That's why, I'm gonna give you 3 super easy tips to nail that interview. At kung tatapusin mo ang video na to hanggang dulo, may bonus pa para sa'yo. Number 1, okay lang na isulat mo lahat mga possible answers sa mga interview questions na inaral mo. Pero, do not memorize your answers. Your answer should be authentic, pinaghandaan, pero dapat genuine at nararamdaman ito ng mga nag-i-interview. So Rose, paano ko naman sasagutin yung interview ko kung hindi ko i-memorize yung sagot ko? Don't worry because I'm gonna give you step number 2. For every questions like how do you handle pressure, how do you handle stress, what are your strengths and weaknesses, how do you see yourself 5 years from now, say something about yourself, and so on, always use the format called STAR, S-T-A-R. You have to think of a situation that corresponds to the question, and then what are the tasks that you have taken, the actions that you have made, and letter R would be the result. Using this format allows you to provide specific, straightforward, at hindi pa ikot-ikot ang sagot mo. Number 3, if there are questions na unexpected at hindi mo napaghandaan, it's okay. Just relax and don't worry. All you have to do is to tell the interviewer na, can I ask 1 to 2 minutes of your time for me to gather my thoughts? Then, balikan mo lang ulit yung STAR format. What is the situation? What are the tasks? Actions taken? At ano yung naging end result? At dahil tinapos mo yung video na to hanggang dulo, most of the applicant don't do this. And here's the bonus tip. You have to do your research. Research about the company that you're going to be working with. Along with that, kailangan mo rin pag-aralan yung JD or yung tinatawag na job description para ma-relate mo any experiences that you have. Kung wala ka namang experiences from the past at let's say bagong graduate ka, that's fine. You can always use any internship, projects that you have worked together with your group or with your classmates. You can use those experiences para masagot yung mga questions related to that position that you're applying for. By doing that bonus tip, it'll create an impression that you're interested to work with the company, you love to grow with the company, and of course, you love to work with them. Any questions? Follow for more.